You might have heard that people saying that buyers got trapped or the sellers got trapped, and today I did traps trading and so on other things, right? So have you ever wondered what are traps in trading and how does it actually work in the live market? So in this video we are going to see what are traps in trading, and we are also going to see what are the types of traps in the market, and we are also going to see some trap trading techniques. So without any delay, let's get started. So what are traps in trading, or what are traps in the market? So basically, trap is a false signal that suggests you that the market is moving in one direction when it is actually going ahead in other direction. So for example, let's say you're looking at the chart, the market is bearish and the market is about to break the day's low. So what are you going to do? You're going to enter into the bearish trade because the market broke the day's low. And once you enter into a bearish trade, then all of a sudden you're going to see a sharp recovery or a sharp reversal in the market. So in this scenario, you basically fell for the trap or you got trapped in the live market. See, there are different types of traps in the market. It could be bear or bull traps, it could be a liquidity trap, or it could be a news driven traps, breakout traps, stop loss hunting traps, or a pump and dump traps. So in this video we are not going to cover each and every traps. We are just going to focus on bull and bear traps. So this bull and bear traps is extremely important for traders, and mainly for option buyers this could be rewarding if you understand the bull and bear traps. A bull trap is a situation where investor or a trader believes that the price of a stock or an asset is going to raise or is going to make a rally towards upside, but in reality it ends up falling or it ends up going on the other direction. In this picture you can see an example of a bull trap. So you can see the trend line acted as an important resistance level and you were able to see a breakout above that particular trend line. And once the price broke that important trend line, and at this scenario what most of the traders are going to do, most of the traders are going to plan a buy trade or a bullish side trade, and as a result you can see it was completely a bull trap. The buyers got trapped and the market ended up being bearish. And what is a bear trap? Obviously it is going to be the opposite of bull trap. So let's say you see a sudden price dip in the downtrending market or the price breaks the day's low. So what are you going to do as a trader? You might bet that the stock or the asset might fall further or decline further towards downside, and you're going to take a position towards the bearish side. And once you get into that bearish position, you are going to see a sharp recovery. So basically you as a trader fell for the bear trap. So let's see some examples of how this bull and bear traps looks in the live market. So now you're on the Angel One web application and you're able to spot the Bank Nifty chart. So I personally feel that the most of the traps happen in this particular index, which is Bank Nifty. So I'll show you the example. So you can see here, this was an important resistance line. You can see the price got rejected here multiple times. So what you're able to see here, the price broke this important resistance level and the price made a rally towards upside, tempting the buyers that it is a strong breakout. And let's say you see this candle after this particular retracement and you'll enter here, and as a result you can see this ended up being a trap and you can see the market fell like anything, right? So I'll show you more examples, then you'll get to know why I personally feel that Bank Nifty is the index that we are going to see most of the traps. So again you can see here, this was an important support level, right? So this was an important support level. The price took support here and you can clearly see here the price broke this important support level, and at this position what most of the traders are going to do, they are going to plan a bearish side trade, and once they get into this trade you can see there was a sharp recovery. And here also you can see a strong breakout. This was an important resistance level, and once this important resistance level was broken, most of the traders will get into this buy position, and as a result you can see this was a trap, this was a bullish trap, and the market reversed like anything. So let's see today's market only. Even today, the 19th of January, you are able to see the trap trading, right? So you can see the market opened with a gap up, the market consolidated within this two range. So this was an important resistance level and this was the support level, right? So this was an important resistance level, and you can clearly see here you can see a price gave a breakout with a follow-up candle. So the buyers are going to get tempted, so the buyers are going to kick in here, and as a result you can see this was a completely a bull trap, and you can see the result, the market completely turned bearish. You were able to see almost fall off almost 640 points. So this is how trap actually looks in the live market. So if you understand traps in the market and you are able to identify the traps in the market, then trap trading might be rewarding for you as an option buyer, because you're going to see a quick rally in one direction, and the quick momentum is what actually is needed for an option buyer. So to avoid these traps, you can use indicators as a confirmation. For example, you can use an RSI indicator. So RSI is going to show you the divergence, and you can also use the volume indicator. The volume indicator is going to show you the strength of a breakout or a breakdown. And I have made a detailed video on RSI and volume indicator, and mainly I have also made a detailed video on how to avoid this false breakup. So all those videos are uploaded on TradeBuddy, so do consider watching those videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.